Hi there, I'm Dave from Northwood Goole, incorporating houses, etc. Today I'm on Western Road in Goole to have a look around this recently renovated 3-bedroomed semi-detached house. Let's go and have a look around. Start as always at the outside, dropped curb, gives access to a double width driveway, parking area, hardcore. There's a good supply of mature trees, as you can see in the front. Looks really nice. Good quality paved walkway, wraps around the front and then down to the side. There's a timber access gate there that leads to the side. There's 3 outside lights, and then the walkway to the front door with a storm porch, composite door leads us into the hallway. So into the hallway, got a nice Carndean style strip floorboard effect flooring. As we enter the hallway, all the internal doors look like they've been stripped and restained. The view from here might be better at the hallway. Understairs storage cupboard, and there's a walk-in storage cupboard as you come in the front door to the right hand side, which is there. Some cloak hanging and storage shelving. Stairs rising to the first floor, go off into the lounge. There's a newly fitted log burner, and again the flooring running through from the hallway. Some they've got teaside cupboards, tea cupboards to the side of the chimney breast, all with natural timber doors to match the internal doors. The top double cupboard has got storage shelving, 2 drawers, and a further double cupboard underneath. Bay window with fitted blind to the front, radiator. So follow me and I'll look in the kitchen. Big spacious dining kitchen, as you can see, the end there where the double doors are, perfect for a dining area. And back along the kitchen from this side, we've got a variety of wall and base units finished in grey. Stainless steel door and drawer furniture, or brush chrome probably, door and drawer furniture, stainless steel sink, the mixer tap, and a nice view out over the garden. There's the boilers in the cupboard in the corner. There's integrated electric oven and a hob above with a matching chimney style extractor hood. Another walk-in storage cupboard with a couple of power points, 2 central heating radiators, and double doors to outside. We'll have a look outside straight away. Again, good supply of mature trees. If we have a quick look around, fully enclosed. We'll start at the side, which that's the timber access gate I think I showed you on the way in. Side entrance door. There's a outside light at the side, further 2 outside lights at the back, and a cold water supply. From there, look back out over the rear garden, which is fully enclosed with timber perimeter fencing. There's a raised patio area that has twin circular inserts, which is quite nice. Mature garden, and then a concrete sectional unit at the back with an up and over door on the front, and a side entrance door. Like a workshop, gym, man cave, whatever you'd want it to be. The view back at the house from the rear shows a reasonable sized gardens, nice and private. We'll now go and finish the viewing by looking upstairs. It's a lovely staircase, again being stripped and stained, carpeted staircase, turning staircase at the top. We've got a window with a fitted blind to the side, all stripped doors off the landing. We'll start in the biggest bedroom, I suppose. Yes, it's probably just about the biggest. Looks like it's a reasonable king size bed. all freshly carpeted throughout, and a window with fitted blind to the front and a radiator. The next bedroom, again recently carpeted, window with a fitted blind overlooking the rear. Then the third bedroom, again this is a reasonable size, made more so because the door opens outwards to give more room inside. Again recently carpeted. We've got a window with a fitted blind to the front and a radiator, and this nice little, I don't know if you can pick that up on the video, nice little exposed beam, and a fitted wardrobe there that has a hanging rail. This third bedroom. Finally, completely refitted shower room, which the light is quite difficult in here, so we'll go to the other side. So there's your shower unit, mains fed shower, monsoon shower head and a telephone style shower attachment, and it's a double walk-in cubicle. And we've got a pedestal wash hand basin and low level flush tool. You see that's better, a bit of light in it. Fully tiled and with a, again, timber effect Carndean style floor. So this property is ready to move in, completely renovated, new kitchen, new bathroom, new carpets throughout. All the windows, or just about all the windows, have got fitted blinds. It's available with no onward chain. If you want to view, give us a call on 01405 780 666, or you can email us on goole@northwooduk.com. Thank you.